in Journey presents 2024 Grand Prix of Lake Toba, Indonesia. The ultimate celebration of rich culture and natural beauty combined with the excitement of racing. Stand witness as 18 international drivers battle it out for the prestigious championship title in the F1 Powerboat season opener. Take part in cultural festival in the spirit of unity as the regions of North Sumatra participate in the largest traditional Solu Bolon competition. Get ready! F1 Powerboat 2 until 3 March 2024 only in Bali Gate.